want to thank this company for sending me these seat covers. These aren't your typical seat covers. These are thick. And I like the kind that go over top of the seat, not a bunch of straps going around the back that you never can tell what's going on. This is one that's going around the seat. Got some leather seats in here I'm trying to protect. I believe you can just take these right over. You can unzip the top so that get the headrest in there. Get it down there like that. Look how good that looks already. I'm not even done. Look how nice that is. Okay, well here it is. Doesn't take much to strap it in, but there it is. Feels like leather itself, and it's kind of breathable, and it's going to protect my leather and protect from, even got a headrest cover. This is really nice. I do HVAC work and I'm filthy all the time, and truck gets filthy and I'm dirty, and I don't want to change my clothes just to go home, so you got to have seat covers if you want to protect your leather.